From Aliexpress, I found a great deal. For $2 you can get this module. It's a TPA3116 D2 dual channel stereo high power digital audio power amplifier board, 2 times by 80 watts. And here it is, the module, looking nice. It comes with a short 3-pin cable and included 3 knobs, and in description it says it have a volume, bass and treble. The board is 60 millimeters by 32 millimeters and the weight is 42 grams. I'm gonna test that. And I got it. Let's open. Whoa. The short cable. Alright, everything is here. And look at the board. For $2, I can't believe it that I got this module of amplifier 2 times by 80 watts. The DC input is from 12 volts to maximum 24 volts. On these connectors we have left and right output. On this connector go the DC power supply. On this connector go the audio input. Remember that this module do not have any wireless connection, that do not have a Bluetooth. We're gonna figure out how we're gonna connect with my smartphone. And we have 3 pots. Is the volume, the bass and the treble. Included 3 knobs, which is super nice. Alright. Oh, I didn't wait. There. 34 grams together with the knobs. That is weird. Alright. I'm gonna use an old AC to DC power adapter. This one gave 12 volts DC voltage and it have 27 watts. Maybe it's not enough, but I'm gonna use it for testing. First I'm gonna connect on this connector, positive and negative. I'm gonna power it up just to see will it work. Yes, we have a red light, meaning it's okay. Next step, adding a audio source. To use analog through the cable, or maybe I will add this. Yes, I'm gonna add this cheap $1 Bluetooth audio receiver. I'm gonna solder the wires on these pins where we supposed to do. Okay. I cut the one connector from the cable, and on the Bluetooth audio receiver right here where is marked, I'm gonna solder the wires. Okay. And now when I connect my smartphone with the Bluetooth receiver, the audio output from this module will go on the amplifier. Connected. By the way, this module needs to be powered with 5 volts, and the audio amplifier have other power source, this one. Now next is to connect the speakers. Okay, here I have 50 watts speakers from old mini system, but I'm gonna use them for testing and connect the wires to the amplifier module. Let's connect now the right speaker first. Which one is the positive? This one. Okay. Whoa. Okay. And now the left speaker. Which one is positive? This one. I like this green heatsink. It's tiny and cool. I'm ready just to power the audio receiver, Bluetooth audio receiver. Everything is connected. The amplifier module 2 times by 80 watts have DC power 12 volts for my external power adapter. Here it is the Bluetooth audio receiver that will get the audio from my smartphone through this wire to audio input of the amplifier. Now I'm gonna connect the Bluetooth first. Powering in 3, 2, 1. We have a red light, meaning it's okay. Blue light on the Bluetooth audio receiver. Alright. I'm gonna disconnect the Bluetooth and connect again so I can prove you that this is not a fake.
Bluetooth mode. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Alright, it's connected with my phone. Play some music. It's pretty good for $2 and 80 watts. Now the bass. Whoa! There's little booming sound that comes probably from the AC to DC power adapter for the amplifier, but it's okay. cool. I like it. I hope you like today's presentation of this cheap audio amplifier that I got from Aliexpress. I will put some links below this video so you can check it. And that was all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel.